All right, now that you've got your inner legs pinned, you're ready to sew both of them. And I've already sewed one. When you sew, you will want to sew a 5/8 inch seam, which is marked on the right side of your presser foot. Remember, there's a line that says 5/8. So you're going to put the edge on the 5/8 and you're going to start here at the top. Put your presser foot down and start with your needle down. And you're just going to sew a straight line with a back stitch, and you're just going to keep that edge on the 5/8 inch mark. And you can take your pins out as you're sewing. If you're doing shorts, you're just going to have a few inches to sew. But if you're doing pants, it's going to be a little bit longer, but you just sew 5/8 all the way down. When you get to the end, you're going to do that back stitch. Now as you sew, it's important to press or iron as you go. And what we are going to do is open these seams up, and when I tell you to press it open, you're going to open your seams like so and iron it. So let's go to the iron and press our two seams. And you're just going to press it open just like that. It's very important, let me get the other one, to make the inside of your garment look as nice as the outside. Press it open. All right, now if you step over here, we're ready to move on to the next step. You're going to stitch the crotch seam, and this I often refer to as the U seam. So to do that, you're going to take both pieces now, and I lay one side up and one side down, and we're going to pin this U seam. I like to start down here where your seam is and match up your stitches, your seams, and put a pin on both sides of that seam allowance. And now you're going to match your notches. Again, I'm putting my pins in perpendicular to the edge. And here everything should match up. Okay, and the tops. Now once you get those 6, 8 pins in, you're going to pin every 2 to 3 inches. Okay? Again, you need to make sure your pretty sides are together. All right, finish pinning and then we'll sew it.